love the Star Wars movies. I especially like the original trilogy and the characters that they introduced to them. I think that the new guys in the new trilogy are okay. I mean, I'm enjoying them. I'm enjoying Finn, I'm enjoying Rey, but other than that, yes, I love the original trilogy. And with the sad passing of Peter Mayhew, I thought it was time that I did a little tribute to that wonderful character he created with Chewbacca. So I 3D printed this little guy in my little homage to a wookiee. So here's how I built it. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. If you like what I do here, please click the like button, click subscribe, and if you could also click the notification button, it will let you know when my next video is being uploaded. Thanks again for watching.